Okay, guys, I want to show you the setup here. I have this one for Suzuki TS125. It's uh, it's made in Thailand, and here is the original connecting drawing, and most of it is in Thai. Okay, but what you have here, that is the stator plate. So this is the stator plate. So I have translated this in some place. So this is the CDI unit. Here is the CDI unit. Okay, so as you can see, there is this mainly red with a black stripe connecting to the CDI unit, and also the black with the red stripe connecting to the CDI unit. Then this one here is going straight to the high tension coil, which is included in the set that I provide. This one is going to the ground, and this one is going to be connected to the black cable with the yellow stripe on the main wiring harness, together with the blue, the green, and the yellow. If we look here at the original, this is the original stator plate for Suzuki GP100. It has 3 coils. Okay, so it has one ignition coil, and then it has a light coil, and then it has a charging coil. So these are the contact breakers. So it's moving like this when the engine is going around, and then it goes to the condenser when it's not giving electricity to the high tension coil. It's collected, the electricity is collected in this condenser. So what you can see, the difference between these two are basically that this one has only 2 coils. And this one here, the original, has this one is the black with the yellow stripe. This is going to the main harness, and via the ignition lock it will go back to the high tension coil, which is under the gasoline tank. And this one here is for the lights, the yellow. This one here, green, is for charging. And I don't know actually where this gets its stuff from. This is the yellow with like a red stripe, and the blue one, that is for the neutral light. So anyway, the point here is that these stator plates are physically very similar. They both fit into the original magneto. So the main reason, the main difference is that this one has, while this one has also this yellow with a red stripe, this one does not have a yellow. So what is going to be connected here onto the main harness is the blue, the green, and the yellow. Okay, so there's no yellow with the orange stripe. There is only this yellow with, maybe, I don't know if it even has a white stripe. It's just plain yellow, I think. Okay, and then this one is also going to be connected to the black main harness wire, which is black with some yellow striping. I think it should have that one. No, yeah, no, this one. Yeah, no, this is the ignition coil. This is going to the main harness. Yes, this is so this black, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4 cables. Here it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is interesting with this stuff here is that this huge coil here has both the yellow and the green coming from them. So I checked here in the back, so you can see here is some yellow. Okay, so there are 2 cables coming from this big coil, 2 distinct cables. So I don't know how it works, but I think it's like that. There is like 2 in 1 in this one. So it both gives for the light, that will be the yellow, and then the other one is the green, that is for charging. So the solution you have to do probably when you connect this one to the GP100 is that there is this extra yellow, you know, the one that corresponds to this one, with the yellow with the red stripe. Okay, so what I noticed on my new wiring harness that I just installed on my Suzuki GP, I use this kind of stuff. I don't use the CDI because it works fine, the one I have. But the point is that these 2 yellows, they go into a double contact on the main harness. So that means that you could share this one. If you have that yellow with the orange stripe or red stripe, you should have to split. I mean, this one will supply both of them. Okay, and then just to finish off my second video here, I will just show you how this one, the flywheel, will fit perfectly onto the stator. So here you got it. You keep the original stator. It's a 6-volt, and that's it. So what you have to do, you have to put this one, the CDI box, you have to fasten it somewhere on the frame. And there is also a high tension coil that I showed in the former video, which is gonna be connected to this one from the CDI unit, and this one goes to the ground. So here you have it. You just have to find a place to put this one. I guess the coil, you can just swap out the old coil with the new coil, put that in the same location. So here we go.